Hi everyone, welcome to the Xoro vendor credit tutorial. In this quick little video, we're going to walk through how to create a vendor credit. So typically this is the scenario where you purchased some goods from your vendor or manufacturer, and maybe one of them ended up being damaged or you want to return some for whatever reason. So in that case, you're basically going to return the goods to your vendor and they're going to give you a credit. So once they issue you the credit, you can use it on future bill payments toward that same vendor, or you can get a refund, request a refund for that credit from your vendor. So in order to record the vendor credit, first thing you'll do is select the warehouse for which you're actually returning the goods from. So if you receive the goods in your main warehouse, select it in your main warehouse, or any other warehouse as appropriate. Select your vendor for which you're creating the credit for. You can select your date here, your reference number, and so forth. And what we'll do is we'll actually select an inventory type because that's the kind of item that we're returning here. I'm going to select the item. I can put a rate here if I wanted to, and I'm going to click on add item. And now I'm actually going to pull the item from a location. Now, if you have a 3PL connection, it's just going to be one virtual location. So basically I can select the item, the quantity that I want to return to the vendor. And now I hit close. And there we go. So I've actually added the SKU that I'm returning to the vendor. I can add expense lines as well for my vendor credit. So I can choose any sort of operating expense accounts, choose an amount, add those expense lines, and then save that credit. So let's go ahead and do that just so I can show you. So if I wanted to expense some printing here, and then, let's say it's $15. Add this, and then you can see the total gets added. So now I can hit save, click OK, and the vendor credit's been saved. So now I can actually apply this vendor credit in the future towards bills from the same vendor, or I can even get it refunded if I request that from the vendor.